Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace an effect in your project in Filmora. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on your project here, and after that press on the effect layer, and if you want to replace it, just press on replace, and you can just find one that you want to replace with, press on it and press on the checkmark symbol after that, and it will be replaced to that effect basically. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.